what's going on? It's RBricks back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make custom pieces, so let's get started. To make custom pieces, you're going to need scissors, Elmer's glue, you're going to have to borrow your sister's nail polish remover, this free printable from my blog or any logo from Google, and you're also going to need some kind of building or some kind of minifigure or anything you want to customize. Alright, the first step is to take a paper towel and your sister's nail polish remover. Don't do it if you're afraid to ruin your pieces, because this will remove the printing off your Lego pieces and you cannot recover it. But instead, take an old Lego minifigure torso or one of them that you don't use that often. Like this one, I don't ever use this, so I'm using this one. And remove the printing with the nail polish removal. Alright, next take this free printable from my blog. There's a link in the description for it. Cut out the logo you need or just use some kind of picture from Google. Next, take an Elmer's glue stick. I like Elmer's glue because it's repositional and it dries quick, and if you don't need the logo anymore, you can just remove it without damaging the Lego bricks. So if you need Elmer's glue, check out the Amazon link in the description. You can also put custom logos on your buildings. That's what I usually do to my Lego MOCs to add an extra detail and make it look more realistic. Everything's the same, it's just don't put the nail polish remover in bricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.